The Sony VPL-VW915ES 4K HDR Laser Home Theater Projector is a powerhouse designed for anyone serious about creating a true cinematic experience at home. It isn't just a projector, it's a window into the filmmaker's world. Every frame feels alive, every color pops, and every detail is sharp, delivering visuals that rival professional theaters. At its core, the VPL-VW915ES offers native 4K resolution, meaning you get over 8 million distinct pixels without relying on pixel shifting tricks. Every scene is exceptionally detailed, whether it's the subtle textures of a close-up or sweeping cinematic landscapes. Combined with Sony's SXRD technology, the projector produces exceptional contrast, rich blacks, and seamless motion, ensuring a picture that is both striking and true to life. The laser light source is another standout feature. It generates up to 2000 lumens of consistent brightness and maintains peak color accuracy over time. Forget about bulb replacements or fading luminosity. This laser system is built to last for years, offering up to 20,000 hours of usage. The laser also powers on instantly, delivering brilliant visuals without the usual warm-up delay. Sony's proprietary X1 processor for projectors takes image processing to the next level. By analyzing every scene in real time, it enhances contrast, sharpness, and HDR performance. Dark scenes reveal depth and nuance, while highlights shine with detail and vibrancy, without any oversaturation. It's a level of precision that ensures every frame looks as the director intended. For motion enthusiasts, Motionflow technology ensures fast-moving action remains smooth and natural. Sports, racing, and high-paced movie sequences are rendered without blur or stutter, delivering a cinematic flow that keeps the eye engaged. The optical system is equally impressive. The ArcF lens guarantees sharpness across the entire screen, edge to edge, with zero distortion. Motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus make installation flexible and precise, whether the projector is ceiling-mounted or tabletop. Large screens, including those over 120 inches, maintain clarity and perfect geometry. Gaming on the VPL-VW915ES is remarkable thanks to low input lag and responsive color reproduction. This projector isn't just for movies. It's a versatile solution for immersive, high-performance entertainment. Aesthetically, the VPL-VW915ES is sleek and understated. It's crafted to integrate seamlessly into any home theater setup. Its minimalist design allows the projector to blend with the room, letting the stunning visuals take center stage rather than the device itself. In summary, this projector represents the pinnacle of home cinema technology. It combines laser longevity, true 4K resolution, advanced HDR processing, and superb optics into a single device capable of delivering a cinematic experience that feels both lifelike and breathtaking. For those seeking uncompromising quality in home entertainment, the Sony VPL-VW915ES sets the standard. If you want to buy this Sony VPL-VW915ES 4K HDR Laser Home Theater Projector, the link is provided in the description below.